DIY or buy your bug spray. You can buy our Terrashield outdoor blend. Very effective, works wonderful, safe on littles and bigs skin. You can also make yours and save a bunch of money. So you do need the essential oil that you want to use for what you're repelling. Terrashield Outdoor Blend is a wonderful place to start. In the Terrashield, we have citronella, lemongrass, thyme, cedarwood, geranium, and peppermint. It makes for a very effective blend. You're just gonna put about, and this is a 1 ounce bottle, I put about 10 to 15 drops in the 1 ounce bottle and fill the rest water. And that's it. Perfect, nice, safe repellent for littles and bigs, a nice coating to block away the bugs. They don't like it. If you want to cater your spray for maybe an area in the house and you want something different than this oil because you're going to spray a surface or an area in the house, or you want to prevent specific bugs, you can easily look at what I've posted before or look up that clove, tea tree, citronella, peppermint. There are many different oils that cater to specific bugs, so you could look that up too. I know for sure the mosquitoes don't like this, and this is what we use a lot out here on Hawaii. So enjoy.